Okay, this is an explanation on how to do the interactive lab. It says on the instructions here, and there are instructions here how to use the simulation, but I am going to give you an example. But it tells you here to put your answers in the table right here. You don't need to do that on the worksheet. I just copy this table onto the worksheet to make it easier for you guys. So pretty much what you do on your table, you make a prediction of what you think the pH is going to be of antacid, vinegar, and the stuff changes. Your stuff is going to be different than mine. But what you do is you take a piece of pH paper, just like I showed you in the video on Monday. I'm going to predict that antacid has a pH of 7. I'm going to say 7. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the table, and then I'm actually going to test it. So I am going to take my piece of litmus paper, and I'm going to put it in here, and you can see that the test tubes are labeled which one. So number 1 is antacid, 2 is vinegar. And what I do is I go over here and I look at it. The color, just like I showed you on Monday, the color tells you what the pH is. Now with that, I'm going to put a pH of 10, and I'm going to do that for each one. Okay, so, oh yeah, and it also puts it in place over here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I would go to vinegar, which would be number 2. And so first of all, the first thing you're doing is filling out your table with this. All right, what 6 substances did they give you? And then you're testing what the pH is compared to what you predicted. And then there's a few questions down there. Make sure to answer those in complete sentences, and change your font colors to red so that it's easier for me to see where my question starts and where your answer begins. Okay, so that's it. Any questions? Read the instructions on the worksheet, or give me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.